Right there.
Where are we going?
Right here.
Madeline, do you know where we're going? I don't know where we're going. The boat. That's a good idea. Where's the boat? Water. Water. I know.
Water. All right. That's good.
We gotta go that way?
A little detour, that's all. Come on, Madeline. Follow Madeline, everybody. Watch your language. Yo ho, a pirate's life. Sing with me, yo ho, pirate's life. We pillage and plunder and rifle and drink up. You don't know the song. Drink up, that's the most important part. You're a good flanker.
Now where? I don't know. Captain Hook will have to tell us where to go.
Nice job.
This way? Keep going with that guy.
Captain, you want to wait for them.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We extorted, pilfer, and filch and sack. Drink up, me heart. Ho. Now what?
That way.
Come on, get the lead out.
Hey,